As far as supply-demand fundamentals are concerned, the overriding picture is that OPEC Plus will continue to be challenged next year because the projections for demand have been edging down, largely on concerns around China. That's balanced, of course, by the fact that global inventories of products, and inventories in China in particular, are quite low. So there's been a destocking effort going on. And as a result, we've had a period of stock draw, which is got to be seen hand in hand with a pretty certain outlook for 2025, where we will see a stock build. So the world doesn't really need, it doesn't really have a call on incremental OPEC plus production if the numbers are roughly as follows. Non-OPEC production coming into the market, largely from the Atlantic Basin, at about 900,000 barrels a day incrementally next year. And demand for products in total may be a shade over 1 million barrels a day, but of that, a good 300 or so is NGLs. In other words, demand for refined products made from crude oil, such as OPEC plus crude, is roughly the same as the supply from non-OPEC sources. And as such, there is, on paper, little room for OPEC plus to increase production unless demand looks a lot rosier. And with demand projections having been revised downwards incrementally this year, not just because of China, that it was a concern to markets to see OPEC plus setting about with intent to put more production into the market.